One of the basic pieces of equipment that one needs while traveling or camping in an RV is a cooking appliance that makes food quickly and easily. The RV induction cooktops provide an ideal solution. They are so popular because they are efficient, functional, and convenient tools, which makes them the best investment for your RVs. The variety of options offered for RV induction cooktops has confused RV owners. So, there are a few basic factors that you need to consider while buying the product. There are many products available to choose from best induction cooktop, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews from customers, and compiled a list of the best induction cooktop from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Electric Cooktop Amchef Cooker. Amchef has brought to you a portable induction cooktop featuring a polished black silver glass top surface and silver edges. The slim body of the product makes it easy to store and does not require much space. This cooktop has 2 separate burners which can work perfectly at the same time to reduce cook time and increase family time. It also features 10 different temperature levels starting from 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 464 degrees Fahrenheit, and allows 9 different power settings, ranging from 200 watt up to 1800 watt. The touch settings allow easy control and change of the settings with a single touch. Also, the countdown timer allows you to set it in a time frame of 1 minute up to 3 hours. The additional features such as auto shut-off safety features, high temperature indicators, and safety locks add to the advantages of the product. It is compatible with various cookware like iron, cast iron, stainless steel, and enameled iron featuring a magnetic contact base. Number 2. Abosi Double Induction Cooktop. Abosi has come with a double induction cooktop that allows you to cook with 120-volt electric power anywhere and at any time. It uses modern technology for quick heating and easy cooking of food. It has adjustable temperatures from 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 464 degrees Fahrenheit. The left burner allows a maximum power of 1800 watt, while the right burner allows the highest power of 1600 watt. You can adjust the timer from 1 minute to 4 hours. It is very easy to control the device with the push-button feature to adjust the power and temperature. The ceramic material guarantees easy cleaning and makes it scratch-proof too. It is compatible with cookware made of cast iron, enameled iron, and stainless steel, with a diameter ranging from 12 cm to 26 cm. Number 3. Cooktron Double Induction Cooktop Burner. Cooktron features a 1800 watt easy heating dual induction cooktop, which is more efficient than a usual electric burner. It also features a greater heat conduction effect than the conventional induction cooker. It has 10 different temperature settings ranging from 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 464 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, it features 9 different power settings from 200 W to 1800 watt, with a difference of 200 watt each. The touch feature allows the convenience of use with feather touch technology. The timer allows you to set the time from 1 minute to 240 minutes. It has an overheating indicator which indicates if the temperature is more than 60 degrees centigrade. It also features a child lock feature and an auto shut-off feature. It dissipates the heat quickly to prevent overheating. It is compatible with various cooking hardware. Cleaning is easy due to the smooth glass top surface. It is lightweight and portable and can be installed easily. Number 4. Sierra Portable Induction Cooktop. Sierra has come with a compact induction cooktop that can fit into the tiniest of spaces. It has 8 specific temperatures varying between 140 degrees Fahrenheit and 460 degrees Fahrenheit. There are also 9 different power settings which range from 100 watt to 1800 watt. The ceramic glass surface is tough to wear and tear, and very easy to clean. The touch controls make it easy to change modes of temperature and power while cooking. The timer has 10 minutes increments, and can be set from 10 minutes to 180 minutes. It also has smart features like a heat indicator for protection against overheating, cookware detection, auto shut-off, and child lock safety features. It is water-resistant, scratch-proof, and very easy to clean. It is compact and fits easily in small spaces. It is compatible with several cooking hardware. Number 5. New Flex Precision Induction Cooktop. This is a single-burner induction cooktop with no hot coals or flames. It heats the pan only and does it quickly. Further, it uses 70% less energy than other cooking hardware. You can adjust 6 different temperature settings ranging from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which allows you to slow stir, sauce, or grill a steak. It also has 3 different wattage settings. This cooktop has a delay feature, means cooking at your preferred time. Also, 100 hours of program memory turns this cooktop into your chef. It can boil water in 90 seconds and heats the cooking hardware evenly and quickly. There are built-in safety features that reduce accidental burns, as the heat is directly transferred to the cooking utensils and does not heat the cooktop. It also boasts an auto shut-off feature. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.